I love a good read, and so will you when you see the amazing offers that we've got on CraftStash for our Black Friday deals. We have got Mammoth magazine reads. That's right, all of your favourite magazines. How would you like? How about some papercraft magazines? We've got loads of them. Have some of those. All the back issues 50% off using the code BF50. But that's not all. What about your crochet magazines? Let's have some crochet magazines as well. Again, 50% off using that code. They're falling everywhere. How about knitting magazines? Do you like a bit of knitting? Absolutely. Let's have some of those. What about sewing magazines? We've got those as well. All of these back issues, 50% off. Use that code BF50 on craftstash.co.uk. But it doesn't stop there. We've got more. We've got your favourite box kits. Do you love a bit of Chloe's Creative Cards? Of course you do. Let's throw some of those in. What about Indigo Blue? Yes, we'll have some of that magazine. We've got the Sentimentally Yours from Phil Martin. Yes, we'll have some of that. These are all 50% off as well. What about Tonic? What about John Next Door? We've got that. We've got Hunky Dory as well. It just keeps going and going. And not even mentioned yet, we've got 25% off some of the kids' books and magazines as well. So you're going to get all of this at craftstash.co.uk. We've got amazing new offers on CraftStash every single day. Make sure you catch that. We've got mammoth deals.